Controls called energy audits are periodically scheduled for drinking water and wastewater treatment pumps in order to evaluate their efficiency on site and monitor changes over time. An energy audit assesses a facility's energy efficiency. It is carried out by measuring numerous hydraulic and electric parameters. By measuring these parameters, a technical economic analysis can be performed, allowing, for example, to determine whether or not existing pumps must be renewed or can be kept as they are. First, we will look at what causes deterioration in a pump's energy efficiency, and then why it is of interest to carry out energy audits. From the moment a pump leaves the factory and is installed and commissioned, its energy efficiency naturally deteriorates over time at a rate that varies depending on the pump and on the conditions under which it is operated. For a same pump volume, this deterioration will generate extra energy costs that may prove to be high for a water company's budgetary balance. In addition to natural deterioration due to the wear and tear of mechanical parts, other reasons may also explain why a pump no longer works to the desired efficiency. First, the machine chosen during the design stage may not be suitable for the site where it will be installed. The flow rate TDH operating range observed does not correspond to the unit's optimal efficiency. This means that there is a sizing error. It is possible that the electropumping unit's operating range suddenly varies with a change in a network's curve. This may be due to changes in the network downstream, such as the new extension connections that will increase water demand. In addition, insufficient or poorly performed remedial or preventive maintenance operations may be the source of deterioration in a pump's hydraulic and energy efficiency. Lastly, corrosion, cavitation, or scaling may also contribute to altering a pump's functioning. This is why regularly controlling the efficiency of an electropump unit is necessary. Thanks to these controls, shifts in efficiency over time can be observed, and decisions to implement energy efficiency improvements at the site can be made. The frequency at which pump controls are carried out must be gauged according to the conditions under which the electropump units are operated. Indeed, these audits should be all the more frequent as the demand in water rises, or where pumps are subjected to difficult conditions such as poor energy quality, recurrent load shedding causing unscheduled stoppages in pumping, poor water quality, a high number of remedial maintenance operations, a significant drop in the static and dynamic levels in borehole water tables. It is recommended that pumps are controlled at least once a year, in particular at pumping sites, which account for the biggest share of energy consumption and thereby energy-related operating costs. Under deteriorated operating conditions, it is in the operator's interest to increase the number of controls in order to detect any sudden variation in the site's hydraulic energy efficiency in time. The results of the energy audit may then be used by the engineer to schedule immediate remedial works when energy efficiency is greatly reduced, build an equipment renewal program staggered over time, include it in annual maintenance plan. What you need to remember: in addition to natural deterioration following startup, a pumping station's energy efficiency may be altered for numerous reasons, such as a pump sizing error, an increase in water demand downstream, poorly performed motor and pump maintenance, deterioration of a part due to corrosion, cavitation, or the poor quality of pumped water. Low voltage. It is therefore essential to carry out regular efficiency controls or energy audits. The latter must be performed once a year minimum.